Hello grade 3 students and welcome to our science class. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about materials. Everybody say materials. And the question is, what is it made of? And your answer should be, it is made of blank. And students, let me show you a short video clip about materials. I will be showing you the different types of materials. So let's take a look. Number 1, we have wood. And these objects are made of wood. So these are examples of objects that are made of wood. One more time, say wood. Next, we have number 2, metal. Everybody say metal. These objects are made of metal. As you can see, the different examples of objects that are made of metal. One more time, say metal. And now we have plastic. These objects are made of plastic. Everybody say plastic. Very good. Next we have rock. Everybody say rock. Excellent. And these objects are made of rock. Good job, students. Let's move on to our next material, which is fabric. Everybody say fabric. These objects are made of fabric. Good job. Now let's move on to our next material, which is rubber. These objects are made of rubber. Everybody say rubber. As you can see, the examples of objects that are made of rubber. And we also have glass. Everybody say glass. Great. These objects are made of glass. Good job. And we have leather. These objects are made of leather. Everybody say leather. Good job.